Have you ever wondered how Google shows the perfect result in seconds? When you search for anything in this video, we will explain exactly how search engines work. From crawling the internet to ranking pages, we are covering it all. A search engine is a software system that helps users find information on the internet. Google, Bing, and Yahoo are popular examples. Their job is to scan, store, and rank billions of web pages. Search engines follow three major steps, that is, crawling, indexing, and ranking. Let's understand them one by one. Crawling is the first step. Search engine uses bots, also called spiders or crawlers, to scan the internet. These bots follow the links and read content on each web page. Next is indexing. Once bots scans your site, they scan important data in the search engine's huge library called the index. Think of it like a digital filing cabinet. Finally comes ranking. When someone searches a keyword, the search engine picks the most relevant pages from its index and ranks them based on 200 plus factors. Let's take a real world example. You type best running shoes into Google. Within a second, Google reads the query, searches its index, ranks matching result, show them in SERP. So what make one page rank above another? Google consider over 200 factors like keywords, backlinks, content quality, mobile friendliness, and page speed. In the search result, the top listing may be ads, they are paid search result. Below them, you will find organic results ranked naturally through SEO. If you want your website to show up in search results, you must first ensure it's crawlable and indexable. Then apply SEO techniques to rank higher. To sum up, search engines work by crawling the web, indexing content, and ranking pages based on what is the most useful to the searcher. It's fast, complex, and powerful. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Want to learn SEO step by step? Visit our website or join our online course today.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.